Yes, hello, good evening, and welcome back to this channel. I'd like to welcome you back from the other videos we did and all we started about, starting with information literacy, the definition, the uses. We went on to the sources of information, how they are used, the types. Then we talked about search strategy, Boolean operators. We studied many things, and today we are going to be adding something, and it's called truncations and wildcards. So it is somewhere here. I've prepared it in the slide format, and that's why you're going to know what the word truncation means, what the word wildcard means, whatever they do. So this is the first slide. It is showing what you're going to study about truncations and wildcards, as mentioned earlier. Presentation by me, Everett Kelby. And the definition, these are the symbols used to include word variations or alternate spellings. I don't think this needs much of an explanation, but just symbols include the word variation to show how the words vary, or the words they might be having the same spellings, so I mean same pronunciation, but they define pronunciation. So this is what we use to differentiate them. Majorly, truncation just retrieves the different endings of a word. The word may be starting with the same verb, or will be having the same thing, but the way it ends, like I would say, I would use in English, we say that the word, sometimes an action, we are using an action word, you mention it as it is, but then sometimes when you're changing according to tense, it changes with, if it is present, there's a how it ends, but it's still the same word. So it's the same as a truncation. So a truncation, it is something like how you can see this star. The word is firm, but there's a star at the end, a star up. So this star up means when you search, like in Google or whatever browser you're using, it will bring various words to you. So farm, you're broadening your research. When you put that truncation, the star up, you're broadening your research. So when you put farm, it will bring for you the words, the different words with different headings. But you're seeing it has the same word farm. Here it isn't farm, even here farm. So it just changes at the end, farm, farming, farmer. But the word is the same where you stopped here, because I've stopped on farm. So if there are other words like dig, digging, it's the same words, that they have the same word, the same beginning word, but depending on where you put your truncation, it is where the word differs from, like the ending with I think sometimes it ends with like here it is with the action, then with the personnel doing whatever is happening. Then wildcards, they just address spelling variations. It's the same word, same meaning, the same thing, but they're having different explanations and they vary according to the spelling. As you can see here, woman, but this is a question mark. Woman, but the spelling is differing here. You can't pronounce it because of the question mark, but it is showing this is the word, but it will have it will vary in the spellings. So when you say that, it will bring for you woman and women. It is still in the same line, almost the same meaning, but it varies because woman is singular, women are plural. So majorly, that is what these wildcards do. They are just to extend, as we have seen here in the simple definition, they include